Hi, Mr. Policeman. Will you be my friend? No? Okay. Goodbye, Mr. Policeman.
Hi, Luke. Hello, daughter. What's wrong?
No one wants to be my friend. No one. I asked Chopper and the policeman. None of them want to be my friend.
Ask the audience.
Okay. Hey, audience, do you want to be my friend?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yay. Well, what's your name in the back?
Kathleen,
Hi, nice to meet you, Kathleen.
same here.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Go away, Mr. Bad Guy.
No, I need a prize.
No! No! Got him! Anyway, what's your name to the right? That one.
Mommy.
Right there. Hi. Mommy.
Hi.
Who's that one with the camera?
Daddy.
Hi.
Who's Daddy?
Yeah.
Monica's daddy.
Okay.
What's your name?
Jim.
Be quiet, Mr. Bad Guy. You're asking too many questions.
That's what I'm supposed to do. That's what's in my script.
Well, not anymore. I'm gonna go talk to the director. I'll be right back. Who's Mr. Director? Fine. Okay, back on track. Let's get it back up there before they leave. Okay, okay. And is there anyone else?
What about the dog?
There's
John?
a dog?
No.
No, there's no dog, Mr. Bad Guy. What's going on with your eyesight?
I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm evil.
Anyway,
What about that food?
no, Mr. Bad Guy, you can't steal the food. No, you're gonna tip over the stage.
I want food.
Mr. Bad Guy, you're on a diet.
Yeah, Mr. Bad Guy, you're on a diet.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
At least that's what my mom said.
Sally, I'm not Sally. That's what's on your birth certificate. No. Yeah, it is.